Let's see if you got this question right. If one cat has two owners, how many owners do two cats have? Which is the right answer to this large question? Is A, one cat, one owner, B, two owners, C, six owner, or D, four owners? This is a trick question because many people's is gonna looks like well, if I have two cats and one cat has two owners, okay, two times two, so we're gonna have four owners. No, that's not the right answer to this question. And why this is not right answer to this question? Because if one cat has two owners right here, we can have the same owners for the same cats. So if I have a first owner right here and the second owner right here, and I have two cats, I'm gonna draw kind of cat right here. Okay, so if you have two cats right here, we can have this owner for this cat, for this cat, and the second owner for this cat and this cat. So how many owners do two cats have? The right answer to this question is B, two. Two owners. Do you get this question right? Let me know. So comment here on the comments and I see your comment. And to let me know you watch the video audio draw, comment where are you from. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. Do you know Brazil? Let me know. So tell me here on the comments. And thanks for watching and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.